Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, talking about today, I'm on a plan today because we have the best student in the world. His name is Mr. Fahmi Hanifa. Every single meeting here came here to teach us about English. Even though those people are thinking it isn't important anymore. But from this to the end of the day, not only people but also animals can speak English, including mongoose can speak English. Alright, today I would like to share something that I know about the topic today. Today's topic is social media kill democracy. You know what? I would like to make two schools about social media between democracy. First, social media. Nowadays, since 2010 and now, in 2001, 2002, 2003, people that are viral and famous using social media nowadays. But after tsunami disaster, September 26, 2004, the time, people very famous using social media. Anything about like YouTube, Gmail, and Facebook, and anything about social media. But democracy very totally, kill I think. This is very not unstoppable if you are using the social media. Well, exactly. A lot of people using social media for democracy, right? You know what? But I don't know idea about what exactly. First, but let's say from United States, people from doing democracy using social media because almost 7 million people, 7 million more than enough, that every single people worldwide nowadays using social media. So using social media very important for democracy. So as I know nowadays, without social media, it is nothing. Read news, the status, anything about sell something or sell something new, anything about wonder happen wonder nowadays. You just combine, you just get input from the social media. The point is democracy should be banned. Yeah, no. Social media should be banned because when somebody using social media for killing democracy, that's total cruel. That's total rude. That's because if one is doing democracy, we have not used social media. Doing for harmful, doing for easily, doing for a goodness, not a badness. Alright, let's speed it up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.